I've actually taken enough video to where this battery's about to die. It's alright, I got another one. But that's pretty good. I rarely do that anymore. But I've gotten quite a bit of video here lately and need to start editing. Getting these videos up for you all to enjoy. Howdy folks, Shawn here from Hiking with Shawn on YouTube. Today I'm at Dutchman Lake area and I came here hoping there's going to be waterfalls. We got a lot of rain last night, so much that that's the trail, that's the lake, and we're gonna have to walk that way for a while to find a safe way to cross. So I'd imagine there's going to be waterfalls. Here's kind of a pretty sight with the waterfalls. Well, you know, creek waterfalls. Very nice looking creek. And it's all just kind of making its way to a rather flooded Dutchman Lake. So, really nice. Pretty area, very pretty. Pretty wild. That tree, the way the rock is and everything, kind of wild. Pretty cool though. Alrighty folks, here's some cool waterfallage in the creek. And there's a lake. It's pretty flooded up. Some cool kind of waterfall stuff over here. Get closer to that here in a little bit. More pretty waterfall, creek fun. And I don't know if I could zoom in, but up here is a big fall. Right. Oh, moving away. Up there, you see it. You know what I'm talking about, folks. And just like that, a new battery was born. Yep. Look at this tree. I bet that's a really healthy tree because it gets so much water. It's grown over the rocks. Little fall goes down it. That's pretty neat. Love seeing trees like that. Lots of moss. What a beautiful area. Just enjoying a nice little natural shelter. Bluffage being my buddy. Alrighty. Nice waterfall for you all to enjoy. Last time I was here, it was not this intense because it was easier to get a little closer to it. Pretty intense right now. Pretty nice though. Pretty cool. Not a bad fall. All sorts of waterfalls up ahead. I see them all over the place. Good day to come out here. Kind of neat to have a bird's eye view of the creek beneath you. Very active down there, a lot of water. Being fed from the big guy right there. Oh yeah. Very cool. Alrighty folks. How's that one? Will that do? That's some good medicine. Let's get up close so we can hear it. Oh yeah, not a bad fall. Not a bad fall at all. I'm gonna probably get behind this fall. How's that? Pretty cool. Not bad. And there's the top of the waterfall. Kind of cool. Pretty cool. Looks like it's starting to rain again. It's alright. More water for the waterfalls. Well. We can't have that, can we? When you find a crack in the bluffs, you go up it. That's what you do. And hopefully there's not a family of bears, mountain lions, and cougars. Oh wait, bears, mountain lions, and wolves waiting for us. That's cool. All sorts of coolness. This would be a good spot for a cougar. Just hanging out waiting. Just waiting. Whoa, big bird. Scared me, bird. Oh. A little bit of bird watching with Shawn. Check out that gnarly tree. Very cool. Always love the little trickles. Some neat little sound.